Adolo Pico, a comedian in Teso, the comedian of Teso called Adolo Pico. Someone help me to tag Adolo Pico in this video. Adolo Pico, don't mix your comedy and politics. Don't mix the pain of people with your comedy. Adolo Pico, I saw your video where you were saying that why all the people from Tesa went to Noop. If Bobi Wine wants to compensate them, why don't Bobi Wine buy the cows and take them to the older people of Tesa? Bobi Wine is the one who stole your cows. Bobi Wine is the one who stole the cows from Tesa. You people of Tesa, you're supporting a thief who stole cows from you. And you're saying NRM is our party. A person who stole cows, a thief who stole from you, you're supporting him. And you're owning even that is your party. Now you want Bobi Wine to pay for you, to pay the cows which he did not steal. Are you okay? Are you confused? Are you stupid? Adolo Pico, don't you think that you being a comedian means that you understand a lot? People laughing when you're talking thinks that you think that you have a right to limit what people talk and what people think. People from other countries, comedians from other countries, they own assets. They live a luxury life. But you people, comedians from Teso, you're still moving, using food to move like dogs or cows. But you don't reason that. The only thing you're used to beg from NRM. You go to their ceremonies and you make them laugh and you start begging from them. And you think that gives you audacity to command people from Teso not to join in Noob, to command people from Teso not to speak up. Adolo Pico, stay straight in your comedy. Don't mix the pain of people and your comedy. And you don't have audacity. Moving with those of Anita among blah, 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 those of your politician, NRM politician, doesn't make you to order or authorize people from Teso not to speak up. You are attacking people from Teso who are supporting Noob. We are not supporting Noob. We are supporting the change. We are tired of NRM. So you don't have right. Stay in your comedy. Stay in your comedy, Adolo Pico. I'm seeing you attacking Okoit. Leave that man to speak up. The party you are supporting is the party who banned people from Mukura. Now you're saying that Bobi Wine is making people to die. But Museveni, NRM party which you're supporting, is the one who killed the people from Mukura. Now who is better? You think when Museveni was in the bush for 5 years, he was romancing people from the bush. Now you're saying that Bobi Wine is making people to die. When Bobi Wine started the struggle, did Bobi Wine call anybody to join? Don't think we are stupid. And when you're saying that the NRM is a party for Teso, don't include me in that nonsense. Say that NRM is my party because I'm not among those stupid people who are still following NRM. Adolo Pico, your face all looks poverty, but you're still saying NRM is the best. You're saying Anita among should not allow that nonsense of Noob, should not allow those Bazay to go to Noob to meet Bobi Wine. Is Anita feeding those people? Is Anita paying their school fees for their children? Is Anita paying their medical bills? Anita is building her private sectors, not even government sectors for the people of Teso. And you have audacity to say that Anita should not allow that. As who? Anita should not allow that. As who? Because she's a Speaker of Parliament. So she should not allow the people of Teso to join in Noob. You see your audacity. Stupid audacity. That's why you people from Teso, you will remain poor forever because you're following stupidity all the time. Because Anita is now a Speaker of Parliament, you have to bow before her. She has to speak for you. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Can't you speak for yourself? Leave people who want to join NUP alone. Those ones who want to stupidly continue following NRM, let them continue following NRM. But you don't give people boundaries that they should not join NUP because they are from Teso. Are you the one paying bills? People of Teso, they are dying in the hospitals because there are no drugs in the hospitals. As those politicians who have names from Teso helped them, apart from building their private sectors. If you go to the government sectors, government schools, government hospitals of Teso, have you ever seen any donation from the politicians who have names from Teso who have done donation? At least Bob Wine is doing donation. And even the politicians of Teso, they are very, very stingy. They are very stingy. At least Bob Wine went to politics when he has been doing donations to the hospitals before even joining politics. Show me the politician of Teso who is doing donation to the people of Teso. Apart from deceiving them during time of politics, buying them salt, soap, things which are useless. But at least Bob Wine, when he was even still doing his music, he was doing donations to the hospitals. His wife is running a charity to help the needy, to help the girls. Show me the politician of Teso who is doing charity to the people of Teso. You think we are stupid? You can blackmail those stupid people from the village, but not us. You found us looking at Dolo Pico, staying on your line. If you're a comedian, stay in your comedy. Don't cross boundaries and remove Bob Wine from your mouth. Remove Noop from your mouth. Remove Okoiti from your mouth. A man who is trying to fight for justice for the people of Teso. You're putting him, dragging him, that he is stupid. Who gives you audacity to call him stupid? You're saying Noop is not useful. Have you even have? Do you know what it takes to create even a party? Do you know what it takes? Continue following your NRM. No one is forcing you to leave NRM because NRM is for beggars. You people want to, any time for politics, you go and beg to Anita Among, you go and beg to those big politicians. So you have to show them that you're with them. But for us who know how to hustle, who know how to pay our bills, we don't bow for them. We don't buy for them. We have been living a private life since. No politician has ever paid my school fees, has ever paid my bills. So we are free to tell them the truth. Adolo Pico, stay in your comedy. Stay in your comedy. Don't cross the lines. The party you are following, they have done worse more than even Bob Wine. So know what to do. If the Bazays went to meet Bob Wine, it is their right. Are those the only people who are supporting Bob Wine? You people, you don't own Teso. Don't own Teso at all. Allow the people of Teso to do what they want, to choose the party they want, to vote the person they want. Don't intimidate them. You are abducting those Bazays so that you intimidate them, so that they don't do the right thing. Stop intimidating people. Stop intimidating old people. Stop intimidating women. Stop intimidating the use of Teso. Allow people the freedom of speech and choice. Not intimidation. Not forcing them your NRM. The time for NRM is up. Time up. Don't force us into your NRM. We are not beggars. We are done with the NRM. So stop intimidating. Stop intimidation.